Good evening, traders. Welcome back to the channel. This is Vishal, and you're watching Nifty and Bank Nifty short-term view. In my yesterday's video, I had clearly told that as far as Nifty spot is trading above this support band from 18,305 to 18,282 or 280, things will be fine. And today, what we saw today was exactly the same. It was, in fact, an entire day of drama where we did open somewhere around 18,305, 306 and went all the way in early morning till 18,270. And it did seem that today we'll have a red day. But from there, we had an immense pullback, which almost took Nifty spot at 18,392. But again, Nifty spot could not sustain at higher levels and we closed lower around 62, 63 points down, and Bank Nifty has closed almost 276 points down. Now, within this range, we need to understand one thing, that in last two back-to-back days, we had inverted hammers. If you check this one, this is the first inverted hammer. This is the second inverted hammer. And the reason for that is very, very simple. There is a one trend line resistance which is holding on since this level of 19,000, which was made in December 2022. As far as we are holding this particular support band of 18,300 to 18,280, I think things are fine. We still need to sustain above today's low. If we break today's low tomorrow and a candle closes below this, and especially below 18,240, then things can get a little bit jittery and bearish for Nifty spot, and you will be seeing lower levels coming up in the market. But if we sustain above it, if we sustain above this support band, if we do not close below this low of 18,260, then possibly a consolidation might continue. And then after that, there could be a possibility of a small rally on the upside. Now, looking at Bank Nifty, things are a little bit more complicated. The trend is still certainly up. But if you check, the range is very, very tight. Generally, for Bank Nifty, such ranges are very, very rare. You will see almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 trading sessions within a range. This is very rare in Bank Nifty because generally Bank Nifty is a very trendy sort of financial instrument. So as of now, it seems that the trend is up in the daily time frame chart. But if you check the hourly time frame chart, you can see a big red candle and the trend is down. But until and unless we do not break a proper support and we do not see a proper selling happening, a proper big red candle closing below a support, there is no point of taking any bearish view on Bank Nifty, because the reason is you are continuously seeing there is some sort of buying coming up at these levels and selling coming up at higher levels. So basically, we are still remaining within a range. So for me, this is a support band from 43,538 to 43,454 or 55. If we see a big red candle closing below this support band, then we will be seeing lower levels coming up in the Bank Nifty spot. Now, there is one more reason possibly why markets rejected higher levels was because when markets were going, when I think in mid-noon or something, all European markets were down. And today, the stocks which did not support the markets were especially the banking pack, stocks like ICICI Bank, Kotak Bank, little bit, especially the HDFC Bank, which closed close to 1.5% down. Even metal stocks, if you see stocks like Jindal Steel, JSW Steel, little bit of Tata Steel, all these stocks were bearish. And surprisingly, yesterday we saw Dow Jones closing in red, but still today IT pack has recovered after yesterday's sell-off, and they managed to close in the green territory. So IT pack and ITC, bit of I guess auto pack stocks like Maruti, if you check, all these stocks were trying to support the Nifty on the upside. All right, so I hope this video about Nifty, Bank Nifty, and few of the large cap stocks was helpful for you to understand how markets will move in the next couple of days. If you like this video, then like, share, and subscribe. Trade well. Thank you.